have some big breaking coming in. Team India now coming out with a clarification on 5 Test cricketers being isolated after a video of their dinner at a Melbourne restaurant went viral. Rohit Sharma, Rishabh Pant, Prithvi Shaw, Shubman Gill and Navdeep Saini have been isolated from the squad. Team India cricketers did not breach COVID protocols, say Team India. In fact, cricketers there were sitting outside and did not breach the protocols that were in place, that were imposed. They were in fact at a restaurant, yes, but they were seated outside as per what the guidelines allow. Rahul Rawat joining us live for more details on that. Rahul, Team India, they're responding saying that 5 of the cricketers, including Rohit Sharma, Rishabh Pant, Prithvi Shaw, Shubman Gill and Navdeep Saini, who've been kept in isolation because they went out and had dinner at a restaurant in Melbourne, now react to these reports that are coming in of them being isolated. They are in currently isolation, but they say that they have not breached COVID protocols. As per the protocols, it says that you can step out, you can eat at a restaurant, but you're supposed to be seated in the outdoor area, and that's exactly what our cricketers have done.
Well, that's right, Nabila. In fact, the players, after they reached Australia, they completed a 14-day quarantine. And since then, they've been, they've been following all the guidelines laid down by the Australian government and have been going out as well. But as of now, what this has been, from where it came was from a fan who was having dinner at the same restaurant, and then it was subsequently reported in the Australian media. And Cricket Australia have put all these players, these 5 players, under isolation and have started an investigation. The Cricket Australia statement says that BCCI and Cricket Australia have initiated a joint probe. Officially, we have not heard anything from the BCCI. As per the sources, as per the people who are there with the Indian team, they are saying that the Indian players have not breached any protocol. And it is just how the Australian media usually behaves. But the video that came out initially from one of the fans actually showed that players were having dinner together. All these 5 players. The fan, in fact, said that one of the players, Rishabh Pant, even hugged him when he got to know that this gentleman had paid their bill. But which eventually he retracted. So there is, there's a lot of, missing dots here. And as of now, officially, BCCI has not reacted. What we've heard from BCCI sources is that the protocols were followed, and sooner than later, the players will join the team, and on 4th they are supposed to fly out to Sydney also for the match that is to be played on 7th of January.
I'd like you to clarify, Rahul, what's the current status of the 5 Indian players? Are they going to be taken away from isolation? Are they going to be allowed to be part of the team or have to be in isolation for a few days longer? And what's been the reaction after the clarification from the Indian side coming in from Australia? Any word from the Australian Cricket Board?
Well, the last we heard from Cricket Australia was that a joint probe has been initiated by Cricket Australia and BCCI. Mind you, we have not heard anything officially from the Board of Control for Cricket in India. We have not heard. What we've learned is from the people who are there in the board and who are constantly in touch with the Indian players, with the Indian team management over there in Australia, in Melbourne. And what they are saying is there has been no breach of protocol as of now, although they are still looking into the matter. I doubt, what they are saying is all these 5 players will be separated from the squad and will have to train separately. It cannot go on for too long, Nabila, because you have a test match on 7th. Are you trying to say that these players will be flying to Sydney separately?
Undoubtedly.
If yes, are they going to train separately for how long? On 7th they have a match.
Absolutely. We have awaited an answer.